Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ayesha Loves Makeup. Today, I always say this in every unboxing, but I really am super excited for all the boxes I get. But I'm really super excited that I'm going to be unboxing this MACYS Beauty Box. It's all Ese Saint Laurent themed. That's right, you heard it here first. If you guys want to know what I got in this box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so as always, before I get into the box, I always like to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel, so welcome. My name is Ayesha. I do lots and lots of unboxings on this channel. I love trying out new beauty products. I am like a product junkie, which is why I'm so addicted to makeup subscription unboxes. It's like Christmas every time I open up a box. I love opening a box, not knowing what I'm gonna get inside. I love doing makeup hauls for you guys and makeup mystery unboxings. Anything beauty content related you're gonna see on this channel. So if you love makeup just as much as I do, I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty guys, super excited. Let's get into this box. So I just kind of opened it up just for time purposes, but I didn't look inside. But when you open up the box, the whole box collapses. The whole box is just you know. So inside the box, I got a Ese Saint Laurent makeup bag, guys, and this legit looks like a really nice bougie bag. You know how when you buy a fragrance and you get a cheap, it's supposed to be a Gucci makeup bag or a Hermes makeup bag when you buy the name brand fragrance? Well, it's normally cheap material, but this material, I doubt it's real leather because the beauty box is only $15, but it's giving you upscale faux leather vibes. It has stickers on the star and the heart, so I'm gonna just take everything off. But this is cute. I am here for this. I think by far this is gonna be my favorite box from MACYS Beauty Box. Guys, look at this bag. Do you guys see? This is legit, this is supposed to be my new makeup bag. I mean, I normally carry a lot more makeup than this, but we're gonna have to do just because it's my little bougie makeup bag now. Alrighty, so I got this. I got the card that tells you what's in your box. I'm a little upset because I got a oops. It says we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that. But don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent you. I'll have to see about that. I was excited about the fragrance in here. I think it's called Mon Paris, the Couture one. There's 3 different ones. I like the Couture one. It smells amazing. So I'm hoping that's the one that they put in here. I also love the Libre perfume as well. So super excited. I'm cheating by looking at everything. Let me stop looking at the card, because the card tells you what you got in your bag here. So you get another $5 off. I don't even really use these. I still have one. This one expires at 11/26 that I still haven't used. And now, well, this one I like because it's only $5 off $20. So sometimes it's $10 off a $40 purchase. This one's not too bad, so we'll see if I use it. I am finally out of my Halloween vibes. I extended my Halloween season to which was the first week of November, but now I'm slowly getting back to my girly girl self. You guys know I love pink. I would say 80% of my wardrobe is pink because I'm very girly girl. But you guys all know I'm girly girl, but I have a punky, edgy side to myself. You never know what you're gonna get from me. One day I will be super girly, heels, hair done, glammed up, and then the next day I'll be you never know. I'll be punky the next day. You never know. I'm a Virgo. Virgos, we have many styles. But nevertheless, I'm getting back. So you see my little pink backdrop. I got my nails pink again. I feel like myself again. So soon I'm going to be going into the Christmas season, which I'm excited about as well. But for now, we'll just stay back to my girly girl. Alrighty. So let's see what we got. So as always, they always give pink tissue paper, which I'm here for because you guys already know your girl loves pink. This is your sneak peek right here. Now, I'm just shocked for only $15. They gave all Ese Saint Laurent stuff. You know Ese Saint Laurent ain't cheap, and this whole thing is Ese Saint Laurent themed. So kudos to MACYS, because I feel like they got a lot of people who subscribe to their box just to get this, but it takes a while for them to take you off the waiting list. So people probably subscribed but probably weren't able to get it, because I know even for me it took a while for me to get off the waiting list. But anyway, let's get in. I want to just check this fragrance out. Yes, this is the do they call it Mon Paris or Mon Paris? I think it's Mon Paris. This is the Ese Saint Laurent Eau de Parfum. So there's 3 of these different types. I know the one that I like says Couture instead of Eau de Parfum, so I don't know if this is the one that I'm gonna like. Oh, I got a little baby bottle of it. So cute. I think I gotta, let me see if it's in here. I think I have one in I'm gonna unbox this on my next, not my next video, but the video after that, and I think I got one of these in here as well, yes. So now I'm gonna have 2 of these. So hopefully I like it. Let me smell it again and see. I don't know if I'm like loving it. I know I like the Couture one, but it smells, I mean, it's nice. I would wear it, and the bottle's cute. But if I had to choose out of the 3, I like the one that says Couture on the bottle. But I definitely will use this, and I'm here for this cute bottle. Alrighty, the next thing I got is a Ese Saint Laurent lipstick in here. Let's see what color they gave me. We got a little card. This is called Rouge Per Couture. I'm here for the packaging. I love Ese Saint Laurent's packaging. This is a color that your girl definitely wouldn't wear. This is like too light for me. I would not wear a color like this. So I'm gonna put this with my makeup giveaways. I'm gonna put that in that box for that. So let's see. So far, only the fragrance. I know I like the fragrance I would use. I know I like Ese Saint Laurent Libre. I can't talk today. I know I like this scent already, so I definitely will wear this. And the bottle is so stinking cute. This is definitely one of the top things on my list that I want to buy. Oh, this fragrance is giving you grown and sexy. This fragrance is giving you date night. This fragrance is giving you boss. You say the rest. Oh yes, this is really, really good. I love this. Let's see, it has orange blossom in here. It says lavender and white tea accord. I love it. I love it. So definitely will be using this. The next thing I got, it says Pure Shots Night Reboot Serum. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. I may put this in my giveaway with this when I do my next giveaway. Alrighty, so let's see here. Ooh, it looks kind of oily, if you guys can see, like this oil on the top. So I don't know, normally like high-end skincare, just in general, they put fragrance in all of their stuff, and I do not like fragrance because I feel like it breaks me out. So let's see here if fragrance is one of the things in the ingredients. Well, water's the first thing on the ingredients, which is never good. Yes, they do put fragrance in it. I had asked one time when I used to work for Chanel Cosmetics in the city. I live in New York, but I worked for Chanel Cosmetics on 5th Avenue, and I always used to ask, like, when I went to, like, they take you to, like, beauty school for Chanel. You're trained on the fragrance, you're trained on the skincare, you're trained on the makeup. And I would ask, I'm like, why does Chanel, like, when we doing the training, you can ask questions. And I was like, why does Chanel put fragrances in their product? I said, like, my skin is sensitive. I couldn't use, they would give me so much gratis for, like, twice a year you get so much gratis. And they would give, like, the skincare stuff, and I could not use the skincare stuff. I couldn't use the foundation they gave us because it had fragrance in it, and it would break my skin out. And I was just like, why do they put fragrance in their products? And they said that, you know, because it's a luxury brand, they want the customer to have a luxury experience. So they put fragrance in it, so when they're putting it on, it could smell nice and give that luxurious feel, which I totally get. But, like, if somebody's skin is sensitive, then you can't use anything from that brand. So same thing like Yves Saint Laurent or Christian Dior, they all put fragrances in their products for that same exact reason, if you guys were wondering. But I won't be able to use this, so I will definitely be giving this away as well. So that's 2 things I have to give away. I got another lipstick here. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, it's a red. This is beautiful. I definitely would wear this color, so at least I get to keep one of the lipsticks. I definitely will wear that. The next thing I got is a mascara. It says Volume Effect. It does volume. What is this? Volume and Noir Radical Volume and Black Mascara. So this is one of their new mascaras, it says. So I can't wait to try this. They do even put fragrance in their mascara. Like, I mean, I get they want everything to smell good, but it's just odd to me because, like, think about having moisturizer and just spraying, like, fragrance in it. Like, it just, that definitely can't be good for the skin. But nevertheless, I guess beggars can't be choosers, huh? They also gave me a men's fragrance. They always give, when you have the MACYS Beauty Box, they always give a men's and a woman's fragrance most of the time. Sometimes you'll get 2 women's fragrances, but normally they give you a men's and a woman's. And they normally give you from, like, that one brand. So let's say, I remember one MACYS Beauty Box, I got, like, a Coach woman's fragrance and a Coach men's. I got, like, a Carolina Herrera woman's and a men's. Like, they always do, like, the matching. So obviously this is the woman and this is the men's. That's a woman's. It's rare they give you 3 fragrances. I'm shocked I got 3. But let's see what this men's cologne smells like. It smells very nice, very nice. I smell like those. It's funny, I don't like woodsy and stuff like that for myself, but on a guy, it definitely smells nice. So I got that as well. I definitely do buy a lot of fragrances because of this subscription, because I'm always like, oh my gosh, it smells so good, I gotta buy it. So out of everything, well, the men's obviously I never use, but like out of everything, I love my fragrance, my 2 fragrances they gave, and the mascara and the lipstick. So let's see everything we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I count the makeup bag. If you count the makeup bag, it's 7. 7 Yves Saint Laurent items for $15. MACYS, you put to shame all of the other makeup subscription boxes. Like, it goes to show that, like, people could really give good quality for a low price, because Yves Saint Laurent ain't cheap. But look at all the stuff they gave us for $15. Like, I'm super excited to try my stuff out. And like I said, I love this bag. This is about to be like my new bag. I mean, it's not going to fit much, but I love it. So that's really about it. What did you guys think about my Ese Saint Laurent MACYS Beauty Box? Like, I think this was great. They also had one that was like all Jo Malone as well. Sometimes they do where it's like all one theme. They don't do it all the time, but I feel like everybody loves when they do like just all one theme. I mean, I know I love this all one theme. So What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments down below. I got a new subscription box that I'm going to be unboxing for you guys right after this. So stay tuned for that. And then after that, I will finally do my fragrance. It's like a kit. I love fragrances. Like, I'm a fragrance connoisseur. I mean, I love everything. I love crystals. I love makeup. I love skincare. I love it all. I love fragrances. So I did one already. I think it was the Sephora fragrance collect, like minis. Now this one is Ulta. So we'll do this. They also gave me a whole bunch of fragrances too as samples that I didn't even know they were going to give me with this. So stay tuned for that. And you'll see some more fun stuff as well. I have some advent calendars and stuff like that I'm going to show on my channel as well. So stay tuned for all of that. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.